Say good morning. Good morning first.
Good morning.
Ready? Wait, give me a second. Slowly, huh? Don't run so fast. Careful, please. Careful. Stop, stop. Ha!
Welcome to our daughter's channel, Daltea's Quest. Come on, let's go. We need gloves. No, because I feel cold. I'm freezing. Thank you. Careful, please.
I want high seat.
Huh?
One high seat.
Hide and seek?
Yeah.
We need... Look, wait. Look at me, look at me.
Come on. I don't know. Let's walk across.
We need gloves.
With me.
I need gloves.
With me. And.
And...
Your high seat. Hey,
Yeah.
get my gloves.
We need gloves, yeah. Let's go. Come on, come on, follow me. Look at your... I'll show you your... I'll show you. Okay. Careful, please. Okay? Oh my God, I get dizzy. You keep turning and turning. I get dizzy. Enough na. Whew. Wait, enough na, anak. Come on, let's go back inside, tara.
I'm going to better you.
Yeah. Careful, okay? Agoy! Careful! Yeah! Whew, I'm freezing. This way, ay! Go ahead. What happened? What happened? Come on, let's go.